be showing you in this haul will be listed down below. I put a lot of effort into the details down below with like prices. It's all in order for you, so if you have any questions, do check that out. Otherwise, please do thumbs up this video if you enjoy my hauls and want more hauls. And yeah, let's get started. I wanted to show you some bags that I got. The first is from Call It Spring, and it's a little company from Aldo. I've just been obsessed with this sparrow design, and it's in black and white and brown trims. I got the bag for $40. It's just a simple bag that you can wear just like around campus or on vacation trips. That's what I usually wear on vacation trips. And inside it's like a polka dot design, and in here it says Call It Spring in like a gold plating, and it's got a lot of freaking storage, man. Just got a lot of storage. It's just really cute. I had to have it. This is the next bag that I got from Delia's. It was, let's see, it was $26.50, and I also got a $10 discount off of it because I tried on their jeans. It's just a suede boho feel to it, and it's fake suede, of course, and it's got moderate storage. It's just really to pack your essentials in here. It makes every outfit just look super cute, and I love the fringes, and it's just so cute. And the last bag that I got from was from Forever 21, and I've just been wearing this around a lot, so it was 20 something, and it's got a lot of storage. I actually was going to buy this online, but I ended up not getting it online, so yeah. And it opens up like that, and it's got like a brown design in there. And it twists to lock, and there is also a zipper back here, and yeah, I just love this color. So next up, I wanted to show you some accessories that I got from Chinatown. This is used as a keychain, or you can stick it up on your car or any other window surface. I got this for $5.99. It's just a Coral Akuma, and I've just been obsessed with how cute it is, so I had to get it. And then this was $4.99. I broke it right there, but I haven't had the chance to fix it. Got this on sale for $7.98, and they also took half off of that, so it was even cheaper. It was about $4 for this set of heart earrings. Next up, I wanted to show you just this rug that I got from IKEA. It's at the center of my room because of the fact that Talia went into my room and she poured this hot bright pink nail polish, and it just really bugs me that it's there. I spent 3 extra hours scrubbing it and it still won't come off. So my solution is this rug. So these are the next things that I wanted to show you from IKEA. They're actually some, I don't even know, they were supposed to be plant pots. And these are actually $3.99 each. I just really like the lace design on them. I don't know exactly what I'll store in them, but I had some ideas. And it's like a light metal type of, you know, feel. And then after that, I wanted to show you these little glass I don't even know what they were supposed to be for originally, but I saw them and I picked them up because they are just so cute and they're really, really heavy. It's like really heavy duty glass. It's $1.99 each, and I plan to store my rings in here. What I wanted to show you next were these glass type of plate things. I'm not exactly sure what they are originally for. I think they're like fancy ashtrays or something, but I just really like the design. It's, again, really, really heavy duty glass. It's only $1.99 each of these, so that's why I picked up 4. And this is kind of what I had in mind for my jewelry tray. I could have some bracelets up here and then rings, and then I could just pile them up, and then like more rings on the bottom. So it's just like a pretty decor display. I don't even know. It's just a really pretty display, though I hope it doesn't like tip over and break. It's like a fancy type of, I don't even know. It's just really cool, isn't it? Just want to pile it up like that. And these are the last things that I got from IKEA. I got I got 2. I was gonna get 3 or 4, but then I was like, that's kind of overkill. And they are the cheapest, like, vintagey type of photo frames or whatever that I could find. These in Nebraska would probably run for $11 at least, but I got it for $4.99 each. And it's 5 by 7 in width for the pictures, and so you can either just like prop it open on a desk, or you could hang it. As you can see, you can hang it both ways, which is really nice. It's made out of a pretty heavy plastic material. It looks wooden from this viewpoint, and it's still covered in the plastic thingy because I haven't had a chance to, you know, rip it out and put some pictures in. But yeah, these are just really, really cute and girly, so I picked them up. Alright, this is Lily Simply. That is it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed. And I also have some vlogs up from this vacation also, so make sure you check those out. Otherwise, please do thumbs up this video, check out my other videos, and subscribe.